Welcome to Biz Ed Made Simple. If you haven't seen this channel, I create loads of free resources to help you ace the Cambridge IGCSE Business Studies exam. Now, of all the resources I've created, this short one I reckon is one of the most useful ones, because when you're trying to revise, you might have looked up a topic, understood the topic, but what you really then need to do is find all the questions, the exam questions that they ask. In business studies though, that's near impossible because they scatter them across the two papers. I've created a free app. I'm going to show you it on my website. You can click on it. It will take you put in the topic you want, break even, let's say. It will give you every past paper they've ever asked, and then it will give you the mark schemes and even the examiner's report. So useful. Stick around, I'll show you how. Now, it's absolutely simple to use. Just go to my website, link above or in the comments. And if you go to the IGCSE page, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that I've got this Notebook LM link. Now I've got it for the AS papers, the A-level, but you're obviously at this point looking at the IGCSE. Now the PDFs, you may have seen another video in the past, because in the past you had to create the Notebook LM yourself. Now you don't need to do that. They're heroes and they're saying that I can now share it. So I've done all the hard work for you. All you need to do is click on this link. When you click on this link, as long as you're logged into your Google, standard free account, don't need anything else, this document is going to appear. Now, we can type in this. This is an AI that I've created. Over here you can see I've put every past paper into it from 2020 to 2024. I haven't gone further back because pre-2020 was a different style of questions. So these are all the ones related to the current syllabus, every question that's ever been asked. That's what's taken me a lot of time. There's over 3,000 pages of PDFs. I had to put them all together manually. But once I've done that, Notebook LM is able to search through and then provide links. So all you need to do now is choose any topic that you want to find all the past paper questions on. So let's, for example, say find all of the questions on break even. Once we do that, we're going to press return. Now, don't expect this to be as fast as things like ChatGPT, because it's literally searching through those 3,000s, but patience is a virtue, and you're going to see it's going to start throwing up all of the questions they've ever asked. You can see in this one, and this isn't making it up, whereas you might have heard with other AIs like ChatGPT, it can hallucinate. This isn't doing that. It's finding it in the documents over here, and it's creating evidence for it. So then we can see it was calculate break even, only a few candidates. It's every time it's mentioned not just break even, but because it's AI, it understands what break even is, and it has questions that relate to the concept of break even without having the words in there. Very, very clever. What you can do then, you say, well, hang on, I quite like having a go at this question. This question requires, click on the 16 and it will take you to the specific question over on the left-hand side of my screen, and it will take you to the mark scheme. You can also go back if you want to find it from the specific paper, not in there. You can come to my website here, download these 3 documents. If you're finding the Notebook LM is slow, it might be because there's a lot of you now watching my channel using it at the same time. You can watch the other video on this channel. It will show you how to make it yourself. And then I guess there's less people using it. Hope it helps. Likes, comments, always help. Good luck.